Today we're going to reprogram your mind. We're going to reprogram your mind to say no, no, no. If you say yes to everything that comes down the pike, then you're never going to have time to do the things you need to do in your home or for your family or for yourself for that matter. So train yourself to say no. Program yourself to say no. Be reflective before you say it, but really think about the time you're giving away that belongs to your family or belongs to you before you give it away. There's a lot of focus on giving up your time and being that person who's so good in the community and in the church. And those are good things, but not to the extent that you have no time for your family. And this is why the house looks the way it does. And this is why the children act the way they do. And this is why you feel the way you